Hey guys, so today I will guide you at how can you reduce a video size without losing its quality in free. Okay, so for an example, as you can see here, I have some bunch of videos. Like here is a video that how to upload PDF in Google Docs. Okay, if I want to compress this video, so first of all check the video size. As you can see, the size of this video is 5.28 MB. Okay, if you want to compress this, okay, so that how can you do in free? So first of all, open your any browser and simply search video size decrease rotator tools. Okay, now tap here, select file. Here I will select this video, how to upload PDF in Google Docs. Okay, simply select the video. So guys, here you get the three option. High, this give the best video quality. Medium, this is a balance option, and low, this make the file size the smallest but the video quality will be lower. So here I will be choose high. Okay, you can choose according to your needs. Okay, then simply click on compress, and guys, as you can see, the compression of video is started. Okay, it will take some moments, wait for few moments. So guys, as you can see, the video is now successfully compressed. Okay, the original size of video is 5 MB and the compressed video is 4.4 MB. Okay, and you can easily download this video from just tapping on download. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand how to compress your video without losing its quality. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for the watching.